Real wealth doesn't announce itself. There are no fireworks, no champagne popping, no congratulations. You made it notification on your phone. The truth? Most people who are actually building wealth don't feel rich at all. They're too busy making smart decisions to notice how far they've come. I am Ryan. Today I'm breaking down 8 subtle signs that you're secretly getting rich, even if your bank account doesn't scream millionaire yet. If you recognize even 2 or 3 of these in your own life, you're already ahead of most people. Let's dive in. Sign number 1. You live below your means without feeling deprived. Here's the difference. Sarah makes $75,000 and spends $55,000. That $20,000 gap, that's freedom. That's investing. That's saying no to things that don't serve her future. Meanwhile, Marcus also makes $75,000 but spends $80,000. Every raise disappears into a bigger apartment or a newer car. He looks successful on Instagram, but feels broke in real life. Living below your means isn't about extreme frugality. It's about intentional spending. You've redefined what enough looks like, and that mindset compounds over decades. If there's a growing gap between what you earn and what you spend, you're on the right path. Sign number 2. You think in decades, not days. Most people chase quick wins. The hot stock tip, the next crypto boom, the get-rich-quick scheme that never works. But you've shifted your focus to long-term gains. Take Sarah again. She invests $500 monthly into index funds and doesn't check her account for months. When a market crashes 15%, she keeps contributing. Over 20 years, her $120,000 in contributions grows to over $350,000. Marcus jumps from opportunity to opportunity. Day trading, NFTs, the latest trend. 20 years later, he has maybe $60,000 saved and a long list of expensive lessons. If you're playing a long game, you're already doing what 90% of people won't. Sign number 3. You've built a financial buffer and you don't brag about it. You're not living paycheck to paycheck anymore, but you're also not posting about it online. You have money you don't need to touch. An emergency fund, a cushion, cash that buys you peace of mind. When your laptop dies, you replace it without anxiety. When layoffs happen at work, you're concerned but not terrified. Most people only realize the power of a buffer after a crisis hits. You built yours before it ever came. If you have 3 to 6 months of expenses saved, you're in the top 25% of Americans. Sign number 4. Your income increases, but your lifestyle doesn't. This is the killer sign. You got a raise, maybe 15% or 20%, and yet you're not driving a fancier car or moving to a luxury apartment. Most people experience lifestyle inflation. Income goes up, spending goes up to match. But you're different. That extra money goes straight into investments. You've developed immunity to lifestyle creep. When you get a raise and your first thought is, how much more can I invest? Instead of what can I buy now? You've leveled up psychologically. Sign number 5. You've stopped comparing yourself to others. Social media makes comparison constant. Your coworker buys a new car. Your friend goes to Bali. You start feeling behind. But when you're quietly building wealth, something shifts. You stop caring what others do with their money. You see someone buy a $60,000 truck and think, hope that makes them happy. No, envy. You know your 10-year-old Toyota and your growing portfolio are the smarter play. When you stop comparing, you become immune to marketing, peer pressure, and FOMO. 3 forces that keep most people broke. Sign number 6. Money isn't the main topic anymore. When you're broke, money dominates every thought. You do constant mental math. Every decision feels like a financial debate. But when you build real wealth, money fades into the background. You've automated savings, set up systems, handled the basics, so while they run on autopilot. Your mental energy is freed up for bigger questions. How do I spend more time with family? What projects excite me? What legacy am I building? Real wealth is boring money management that leads to an exciting life. Sign number 7. You value time over things. You started paying for convenience. You hire someone to clean your house. You say no to meetings that waste time. Your calendar has white space. You're not trading time for money anymore. You're using money to buy back time. Time to think. Time to rest. Time to create. Time to live on your terms. This is wealth most people overlook because it's internal. Real wealth isn't just about your bank account. It's about how free you feel when you wake up. Sign number 8. You stopped making excuses. You don't say, I can't afford that. You say, that's not a priority right now. You don't blame your income, your upbringing, or the economy. You focus on what you can control. Instead of explaining why you can't save, you optimize what you can. Live with a roommate. Bike to work. Meal prep. Make intentional choices. You've taken full ownership of your financial reality, and that puts you back in the driver's seat. If you've recognized even one or two of these signs in your life, you're on a path most people never find. You're not just surviving. You're quietly building something that can't be taken from you. So keep going, because if it doesn't feel like you're getting rich yet, you probably are, just quietly. And that's exactly how it should be. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's keep building wealth quietly, together.